Hi, Dave from Buzzy here. So this morning I recorded a fairly long 40-minute video walkthrough of taking a Buzzy AI app, importing it into Figma, and then using the Buzzy Figma toolkit to completely build up a new screen, change the UI completely if we wanted. That's a long video, so this is the brief summary version. I can sort of jump through the video with you. We start out creating an AI generated Buzzy app. This is a real life working app. We save a ton of time with the AI, even though the interface isn't what we want in this case. It's not what we're after. The AI has built up a working app for us with data tables. It's populated with sample content and so on. So we've saved a ton of time. We've got a working MVP already. And that happens in like literally minutes. So then we take this app, we figure out how to import it into Figma. So I'll show you how to grab the Buzzy toolkit file from the Figma community, import your app. So we run through the steps required to import the app into Figma, run through the toolkit itself, so the components it's built up from, and how that's put together. You'll see this is the import process. We start pulling in the app, and it takes the live app definition and builds these screens for us in Figma. So it's built 30 something screens, again in a matter of minutes. We can now go in, use Figma to edit these. We run through how these are set up in terms of the themes and the variables. We can very quickly switch the themes. We run through the variable setup, so how these are set up, how you can edit these. And then we'll go through and decide, okay, well, we're going to rebuild one of these screens. We don't like the UI of the project screen. We're going to build something that's more desktop focused and using tables and a kind of more traditional, I guess, corporate layout for this sort of stuff. Project management app in this case. So we use the Buzzy toolkit and the components to just drag things onto the screen, buttons and so on. We're building a masthead here. We had a search component. There's an avatar button here. Turn this into a working masthead. Then we add some tabs. Again, we could break this up into sections if we wanted. And we pull in a working table from our existing Buzzy app that it's created for us. We can just drag this table across. It's already marked up with the Buzzy markup. It's working as is. We can go in and tweak some of the settings. So we're changing some of the widths here and how it behaves. This is running through the actual table component that you can use as a master component in Figma, and then we can just republish this directly to the live app. And we can do this in a matter of minutes. And if you're curious, this is the actual app we edited. So this is a working screen. If we jump back, this is the home page, which we haven't edited, obviously. Click on a project. This is the screen we created in a matter of minutes. It's responsive, it works. This is real data, it's a live app, and we edited it all in Figma. So yeah, take the time, watch the long video, and I hope that helps. Thanks.